In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 11 brand new worldwide websites for remote jobs and online jobs. Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Judd Albring and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk about all things work from anywhere. If you're into that sort of thing, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you get notified every single week when my new videos come out. And if you could do me a huge solid, if you see our buddy, the like button creeping around down here, just go up to him and give him a little tickle. All right, guys, so 11 websites for remote jobs and online jobs. You guys have asked in the comments and I am going to deliver. So I did some research and I came across 11 worldwide remote websites where you can find remote jobs and online jobs. Now, make sure you stick around to the very end because all of these sites are going to be a little different. So although the first one may not quite be a fit for you, the third, fourth, or maybe the sixth or seventh might be a right fit. So all these websites are going to have different types of jobs and they're going to cater to different locations throughout the world. Make sure you pay close attention, and as always, make sure you do your research, guys. Visit these websites, make sure they're a right fit for you and your location. And a lot of you have been asking, hey, what do you do? How do you make money from home? Stick around to the very end, guys, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I make a full-time living online from home and how you can do it too. Now, one of the great things about this website, guys, is not only do they share with you remote job opportunities all over the world, but they're also going to share with you the remote companies. So I highly recommend that not only do you go to the power search and the remote job search, but also come to the remote companies tab and take a look at all these different companies. Now you can see here, United States, United Kingdom, Denmark, Canada, right? The list goes on, Australia. So all these companies hire remote positions. So take the time to go through this, guys. There are tons. Look, I'm scrolling. So please go here, take a look and see if there's a company that fits you and your skill sets. And then of course you can simply go to the remote jobs tab and you can see all the different types of jobs, right? They have customer service, they have business execs, developers, design, social media, writing, editing, marketing, project manager, recruiter, sales, SEO. The list goes on and on, guys. So make sure you take a look. I am not associated with any of these websites, guys, whatsoever. I do not get a dime. So it is up to you to do your research and make sure these sites are a right fit for you. You can also put up your remote resume here, which is really cool. They have templates and examples that you can do. All right, guys, next up on our list is Virtual Vocations. What I love about Virtual Vocations, guys, is as soon as you log into the dashboard, you're going to see right here, plain as day, browse remote jobs. So they have tons and tons of opportunities available. Software development, nurse jobs, education jobs, consulting, technical writing, Spanish speaking jobs, bookkeepers, attorneys, accountings, customer service, human resources, physician, teaching. The list goes on, guys. There is something for everybody here. No excuses. If you can't find a job here, something's wrong. Take a look at this, guys. They also have career services to help you guys find a job. You can also go to the How It Works tab. This will show you exactly how to start looking for jobs. And you can see they've helped people find hundreds of thousands of jobs. They have over 200,000 companies listed on their website. Now you can create either a free account and then they have premium accounts. Now my suggestion would be start with a monthly premium account. Again, I'm not associated with these guys, but try them out for a month. It's $16 and see if that makes a difference. As far as I can see here, you don't have to commit to a year or anything like that. I don't know about you, but I'd be willing to pay $16 to land the perfect job. But you can set up a free account as well. Again, I'll leave the link below. I'll let you guys kind of peek through this and see how it works. But just come to Virtual Vocations. They have the Jobs tab, How It Works tabs. You can also go to the Companies tab, and they work with a ton of really, really great companies here. Next up on our list, guys, is a company called Pangean or Pangean. And it says here, join the fastest growing remote community worldwide. Find the best remote jobs at reputable companies. So you can find a job and of course post a job. You can simply click up here at the Find a Job tab. This site and with all the other sites, you're going to have to create a login. You're going to have to create an account. So find which site works best for you before you start signing up for all of them. But once you create your profile, you can start applying for jobs, customer service. They have accounting, software, everything here, guys. And it looks like they have a really good community. You can go to the forum here and communicate with other people. Hey, have you applied for this job? Is this company a good company? And so forth. So the more you put in, guys, the more you're going to get out. But really, really solid website. Tons of great opportunities here. Employees working remotely. They've worked with Zapier, Capital One, Salesforce, Lyft, Apple. So this is a big company, guys. 1,000 plus new remote jobs posted. Find your dream remote job today. They've had over 2 million visits to the network. They work worldwide. Hiring remote talent, get started. I mean, really, really cool stuff, guys. So take a look at this. All right, next up is a company called Remotetive.io. Want to save a fortune on lunches? Remotetive hand screens, 1,721 live remote jobs from 1,121 remote companies. So it looks like what they're doing is going through and scanning the jobs, pulling the jobs, and putting them on their website for you guys. So again, lots of really cool stuff. They have a list of all the remote companies they work with. So you can take a look at that here, find the companies that are a good fit for you. And of course, they have all the remote job opportunities here. So this is sort of like a job board, and they probably pull the data from a bunch of various different job posting websites and put it all in a convenient place for you. Next up is Remoteok.io. So take a look at this, guys. Tons of great jobs here. Tesla, Lyft, Bubbles, Operate Beyond, Nextroll, which is an advertising company. So lots of good opportunities. Again, if this isn't the right fit for you, stick with me. There's other job sites to come, but I did want to throw this one in here. Mostly they're focusing on a lot of the tech jobs and software jobs here. So if that's you, take a look at this. All right, guys, next up is Skipthedrive.com. Very simple dashboard here, guys. You can come right to the website and just simply type in what you're looking for. So let's take a look here. Customer service. Of course, you could put in software, sales, find remote jobs, and it's just going to give you everything you can imagine here. And you can see here the first one, work from home, customer service, phone, and email support. This is a featured jobs with a company called Omni Interactions. And you can browse all the various remote jobs. They also have a resources page where you can look at part-time jobs. You can calculate your savings. You can look at all the company lists, and you can track your jobs and applications. So really, really great stuff, guys. You can also come down here under the browse by category and simply browse by the job that interests you. Customer service, bilingual, accounting, account management, sales, recruiter. They've been featured in Fox, Yahoo, Inc., MarketWatch, Skill Crush. So solid company, guys, with solid opportunities for you. Next up is EuropeRemotely.com. Now, Europe Remotely is more of a blog that's going to link you to various sites, but I do get a lot of requests for jobs around the world, hence the reason I'm doing this site. So Europe Remotely is a great place for you to start looking for remote jobs in Europe, SEO remote jobs, data entry, TV remote jobs, remote access. So this is a great place right here, $15 to $29 an hour, Amazon jobs, customer service, driver jobs. This is really great. So for my international people, check this out. All right, guys, AuthenticJobs.com, the leading job board for designers, developers, and creative pros. So guys, if this fits you, if you're a designer, developer, creative pro, this is an awesome, awesome website for you guys to find remote opportunities all around the world. And great companies here are hiring. Even some top universities are looking for people to fill these remote opportunities. So again, designers, developers, creatives, this is the site for you. Next up, Gun.io, world-class technical talent on tap. So Gun.io helps companies scale their software engineering teams seamlessly with our global network of elite hired guns. So this is a freelancing site for people in the tech industry. So if you're someone with a tech background, take a look at this. Gun.io matches exceptional companies with exceptional remote software developers. A great opportunity for those in software development to get a remote job, right? Work with a freelancer, hire an employee. You can set your rates here, which is really cool. This is similar to like an Upwork or Freelancer, but geared strictly for those with a technical background. Next up, Landing.Jobs. What's holding you back? Land the right job. Connecting you with the right tech companies. Always get feedback and support at light speed. Now you can simply come up here, come to jobs, and you're going to see here top locations: Lisbon, Porto, Berlin, Munich, Barcelona, Madrid. And then of course they have a full remote area as well. and you're going to see tons and tons of opportunities, and you can come over to the left-hand side and search based on your skill set. It also has a section here for visa and work permit. They have the various job categories where they're looking for people: developers, full stack developer, QA, testing, and then you can of course look at the different contract types. They have based on the minimum salary and rate, and of course you can do it based on euro, the pound, and of course USD. Last up on our list, guys, is Dribbble.com. This is a really great website. I love this website. This is a place obviously where people come to search for graphic designers, and it's a freelancing site strictly for graphic designers. Dribbble is the heart of the design community and the best resource to discover and connect with designers and jobs worldwide. So you can simply come over to the full-time job board here. You can also go to, it looks like, the freelance jobs, where that is probably a pro subscription. Again, I'm not affiliated with them, but you'll have to take a look at it. Tons and tons of creative jobs are available here, guys. Looks like you can chat with somebody over here. Just a great opportunity, guys. And you gotta, you just gotta go for it, right? Find work. Here's the job board, freelance projects, and everything's right here at your fingertips, guys. So if you're someone in graphic design, you have a design background, great opportunity. Again, I hope there was something in here for everybody. I gave you 11 different job sites. There's tons and tons of opportunity. Now it's up to you guys to go out there, do the work, do the research, hit the ground running, okay? I know there's something in here for somebody, and I wish you guys all the best on your job search. Please let me know how it's going. Let me know in the comments what you found, and share with me. I would love to hear about your success and your failures. That's okay too. Maybe I can offer some feedback. And guys, as promised, people are constantly asking me, what I do. How do I do it? Is it your YouTube channel? Well, a lot of people don't understand is my YouTube channel is not my job, right? My YouTube channel is for fun. I love to do this. I love to share with people. What I do is what's called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products. And you can do this in any niche under the sun. You can do it in cooking, golf, parenting, speaking a different language. I mean, the list goes on. And all I do is promote other people's products. And I do that on various different social networks. I do it on blogs. I do it through email. You can do it through podcasts. You can really do it just about any way under the sun. You can pay for advertising if that's your thing. So it's a great opportunity, guys. It's a great way to make money from home, from anywhere. You just need to learn the skill sets. And if you guys are interested, click the first link in my description below. It'll say work from home. You can learn more about how you can get started today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.